Sure. And then there was something too about like, okay, well, the creative jobs and things like that, they're going to be last.
Right.
Which is actually not true.
Right.
Because they also have another version of this. I think it was called like Doll-E or something like that. That does like generates images, and you see this a lot on like TikTok, or there's like a new filter.
Yeah.
You can take a picture and it'll change it into like an anime like image of something, or you can type in something and it'll generate a random image. Okay, so if it has the ability to go through every single image it's ever seen on the internet and come up with a new image, or I think there's a thing where it like can create a person, right?
It can.
That's not a real person.
Right.
And like come up with all these different variations. So if it has the ability to go through all these things and create something new, okay, so then what if you are, right, like a logo designer or something like that?
Yeah, graphic designers.
What is stopping that from
right
taking your job?